So let me make a quick recap how my channel is going to evolve and grow and grow and grow and get great and really great. Okay, the first 10 to 20 videos will be the ones I'm going to scrap later on. This is only to get familiar with the track, to make sure that anytime I would like to post something, I don't feel any resistance to do that, and I'm going to do it freely with you. From video number 20 to 30 will be about my camera presence. This is going to help me to get more great videos to you quickly. I'm going to improve my face, my tone, my gestures, my voice, my energy, and to make sure that I'm going to gain more interesting and more energy when I'm making the videos to you. From video number 30 to 40, I'm going to focus on the video ideas. What can I do to make the videos better and better for you? How can I find the great ideas, the topics you are really interested in? The next 10 will be about the finding and experimenting different formats. At the beginning, I'm going to make talking head videos, then later on I'm going to change the format, change the style, change the location, and I'm going to mix them, and I'm going to test what is working for you and what is not. The next 10 videos will be about subscribability. This definition is coming from channel makers, credit is for them. Basically, the main goal is to find the factors that will make you to like my channel. I will focus on really finding what you really like. I'm going to focus on provide you enough reasons to keep watching my videos. In the next 10 videos, I'm going to focus on how I can make sure that you watch multiple videos in a series, how I can keep you on YouTube and also on my channel. After that, I'm going to focus on my editing skills and also the quality of the videos. I'm going to focus on the lighting, better sound effects, and also the editing. Editing will be key. This is what is going to get the main attention during these videos. From video number 90 to 100, I'm going to focus on making even better videos for you. I'm going to focus on finding what is even better appealing for you. From video number 100, I'm going to focus on how I can improve. That will be the point when I'm going to say that I have experience with YouTube, I know what I'm doing, and I know that you like my channel. It will be very interesting to see where my channel is going to grow in a year, how I'm going to change as a person, and how my style is going to evolve, and where this channel is going to get. So I really hope that you find this strategy very useful. If 1 year from now I can say that I have built a very successful channel, then I'm going to be very, very happy. If you say that you get a lot of value from the channel, I'm going to be very, very happy. So please feel free to give me any feedback. Any constructive feedback is welcome, and I'm going to use it to be good and to make sure that my channel and my videos are getting better and better for you. From time to time, I'm going to come back and I'm going to check how the channel is going on, where I made success, where I have more challenges than I expected. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to have. I'm also going to have some doubts, but if you find the sound great, it is not by accident. I have a great tech for that, and I hope that you are curious. So in the next video, I'm going to show you what tech I'm using at this moment, and then we will see if it is going to be improved from time to time as well. So see you in the next video.